Hey Bladers, in this video I'm not going to try and show you how my Storm Pegasus does his special attack because I couldn't get it to work in the last one. So I'm having to redo this whole entire video of how Lightning Eldrago, the Lightning Eldrago GB145 WB custom I made can still spin. But anyway, without further ado, Thermal Posse is ripped into the arena. Then, if I can get a good hand spin with Lightning Eldrago. Okay, that was just horrible. I'm not even gonna. Okay, there we go. That was good. Whee! Still some spin. Because that's what he does. Because he's G. No, actually he's L, but that's beside the point. Dang it. That mini smash attack always throws him off. Hang in there, Lightning Eldrago! Gotta turn on the spin track as we get him. Finish him, Lightning El. Mwahaha. No! How in the world? Now we will finish him. Look at that. That's the eternal spin track for you. But yeah. Yeah, it took me 3 hand spins. He's not as good as Medio, but he still works. Okay, now, like an idiot, I'm going to try and show you my Storm Pegasus special move. But before that, I'm going to show you this dude. Okay, first, Thermal Posse is in. Next, he's going to be fighting Earth Pegasus 145 FS. Woohoo! That's attack mode. This is showdown. Stamina mode. Pretty much all you need is some kind of Earth Bay, Special Edition Storm Pegasus, and then Evil Geminos. That's pretty much what it is. I'm using the one from my Earth Virgo, the ring. But yeah. Watch Thermal Pisces wobble. And owned. But yeah, okay. Now, launch in here. And then I'm going to try and do my special attack, or launch style. It almost worked. Almost. Okay, now I'm going to show you Star Blast attack. Yeah, I haven't really got that down yet, but now I'm going to show you this one, my special attack. Starlight Strike. Yeah, it resulted in me bringing myself out, but you saw the power in that, right? All I have to do is figure out where you're going to launch your bay. And it works perfect. Let's show you this again. Okay. There's him. Okay. Starlight Strike.